Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Minecraft error. Please log in to Xbox to join this server. So here follow the steps. The first solution is to switch internet connection. So from here, if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data. And if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi. And then check your problem is fixed or not. If not, then second solution is to connect to VPN. To do so, open Play Store, tap on search for VPN. Now install any VPN from here. For example, I am installing VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Click on install, and when it gets installed, launch it. Then tap on connect, click allow, and once it is connected, you can launch Minecraft and check. Please log into Xbox to join this server. Error is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.